Hello my art viewers, welcome to my channel The Art of Inside Impressions. So today our important topic is that why should we clean blending stumps properly before using. So if you are using a dirty blending stump, so what are the disadvantages of using that? So let us together see what are the disadvantages. So without any delay, let's get started. So now we are using a 2B pencil, that is 2B outline pencil, and we are giving a few strokes. And yeah, now this is our dirty blending stump review. Now we'll give other strokes to use the clean stump. So let us speed up this process, and now we'll grab our dirty blending stump and we'll see, and I'll speed up this process. Let's see. And this is what the disadvantage, and I don't like using dirty blending stump, and you can see many patches. And if you are working on realistic artwork, this is what will happen. So using a dirty blending stump is big mistake. So don't use dirty blending stump and don't mess up with your realistic artwork. So let us clean in this way. So first I'll use cutter to clean the tip of the blending stump, and then we'll use on the sandpaper to get a fine tip. So this is the process, and let me speed up this process. And attention please, don't cut your finger. And in this way we'll rub on the sandpaper to achieve a fine tip. So again, it is a time taking process, but do it with patience. So after rubbing several times, I achieved a clean and fine tip, which is really satisfying because it is coming from your hard work and patience. So that matters a lot. So do it with patience. So in this way we are blending thoroughly and completely, and we achieved a really even tone compared to the dirty blending stump. So using clean stump is very much important in every drawing. So use a clean one and achieve a clean and realistic output. So don't use dirty blending stump and make your drawing messy, so please. So now we'll see how to make a blending stump at your own place. So grab two papers, it may be A4 size or newspapers, and cut one corner of the newspaper or A4 size paper in this way. And after cutting, take a single sheet and roll in this way. So roll opposite to the corner which you have cutted it. So here you need to start rolling. Here first you need to hold paper so tightly that it should be hard enough like a stump. So from the beginning, hold paper so tightly and firmly and roll properly. So I didn't get the satisfying tightness, so again I'm trying to achieve a tight roll. So in this way you need to do slowly and don't leave any gaps. Go it step by step, and you need to add other paper when you are almost done with this paper. It is the time to add other paper. So don't roll it completely, leave few area in order to get a good roll. And in this way you need to add and again start rolling in the same way. So let me speed up this process. So in this way I achieved a good roll which is of medium size, which is not too hard, and do secure it with plaster. So any color plaster is fine because we are not seeing the beauty of a stump, but we are using it in order to save our money. So in this way, after securing it, do in this way. This is testing the hardness. So it is waist till here because in center will get a hard region. So cut the both ends where you don't want and where it is really not so hard. So fold until that region and cut using a scissor. So here again you need to give a plaster look, because here you need to secure it with plaster. So I'm securing it with plaster. You can cover completely, but we require both the ends, so I'm adding this plaster in between the stump, which is so hard. So after securing it, let's see the process. Now I'll show how I'll cut. So up to here it is so hard, so I'm cutting here. So one more thing, you should not have hole in between, because blending stump should be like pencil, not like a paper roll or something. So in this way I achieved a blending stump without any hole. So if you have got hole at any side, you should cut again in this way. So in this way, after cutting, you need to see whether your blending stump is having hole or not. If you are having hole, that is because you haven't rolled properly or you haven't cut it properly. So you can cut and see where you are not getting hole. Now we'll sharp like pencil and we'll use like blending stump. The stump we are achieving is very good. I'm really happy with my blending stump, because it is almost the same which we are affordable and which we can do it in our own place. So you can save your own money. This is really wonderful, right? So if you can add 3 to 4 papers, again you'll get a fat one like this, you'll get other one. So this is equal to middle grade blending stump. So you can also get that hard one by using 3 to 4 pages. So this is equal to this. So this is like third size or fourth size if I'm not wrong. So now we'll test how our homemade blending stump is working. So I know it will work fine, because they also have done in this way, but it may be different. Let us test. So I'm using 2B pencil again, and now we'll speed up the process. Later we'll compare the results, and it is working absolutely fine. See, you can see the results. It is not leaving any patches and it blended evenly, which is so satisfying, and I'm really happy with the results. And I love this homemade blending stump. So you can give a try and make it within 5 to 7 minutes easily. So you can make all sizes and you can use all sizes. So this is so satisfying process. So if you really loved this video and enjoyed the video, please hit a like and do support me. And if you are new to my channel, so please subscribe to my channel and tap the bell icon to get more interesting videos. And I'm really working to get more stuff which you don't know, and I'm adding on my videos. So stay safe, stay healthy.